How to cancel your JustFit subscription. Hello everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick way to cancel your JustFit subscription. But before we do that, make sure to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Let's get right into it. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up your phone settings, and once your settings is open, you can just tap on your Apple ID. Once you do that, you will find option for your name, phone number, email, then password and security, payment and shipping, and finally your subscription. You are just going to tap on your subscription settings and it will show you all of your available subscription. So as you can see here, you have your active subscriptions and your previous subscription that has expired. So you just want to find your JustFit active subscription and you can just tap on it. Once you do that, your screen should look something like this, where you have an option to cancel your subscription. Just tap on it, then it will ask you to enter your PIN or password. You just have to verify with your biometrics, then you should be easily able to cancel this subscription. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I will see you on the next one.